Hello friends, thanks for clicking and welcome to this new video of Easy English Jabalpur channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the differences of plaintiff and defendant. Plaintiff and defendant, both words belong to legal field and they are used in law terminology. Let's find out how these words are used in legal field. Plaintiff is a person or an entity who files a lawsuit against someone in court, whereas defendant is a person or an entity who responds to that lawsuit in court. Plaintiff initiates a case, defendant's job is to give reply or response to that case. Plaintiff carries a lot of document as a proof. Defendant doesn't carry any document for proof. Plaintiff is a person who aims to establish a liability. Defendant is a person who aims to refuse a liability. Plaintiff name is registered firstly in court for any case, whereas defendant name is registered secondly in court for any case. So these are some differences of plaintiff and defendant. I hope friends you have got the differences of plaintiff and defendant. Thanks a lot friends for watching this video. Have a nice day.